Hello guys, welcome to Uncoding. In this video, I will show you how to highlight top and countries dynamically. Uh, dynamically, when I click on this slicer buttons, and I click on two, it shows top two countries with the sales. When I click on three, it shows top three countries by sales. In this video, I will show you how to do this. I'm connecting to my SQL server. I'm using AdventureWorks database. In AdventureWorks, I need only fact internet sales and this sales territory. I'm just taking sales territory and fact internet sales tables. I'm loading the data into PowerBi. Yeah, here we got both the tables. Now I'm taking a column chart. In access I am giving sales territory. On access I am giving sales territory country and sales amount. On values I am giving sales amount. So this is showing me all the countries with sales amount, but I want to highlight top N countries. So to do this we need some measures. I'm taking a new measure which calculates sum of sales amount. This will calculate sum of sales amount. Now we have sales amount, and then actually to show top N countries we need a rank. We need to rank countries by descending order. So I am taking another measure which this will apply ranking to each country by sales amount. So rank country. I am giving name as rank, country rank, and then if it has one value, unique values, I want to apply rank on countries, so I am taking that countries column from sales territory, and then I want ranking on that table, so I am taking rank x function in DAX, and then I am giving this and when I'm removing all the filters on sales territory countries. If there are any filters, it removes and select all the rows. And next I want rank by sales amount in descending order. We forget. Now we get a ranking of each country. Let's check whether it works or not. I'm just taking a table, and then on table I am giving this country rank. Now we got country ranks in a descending order. Top one country is United States and two is Australia. Compare with the sales amount. Yes, you know this. Now we have ranking, country wise ranking. Now just go to model and create a new parameter. Give this parameter name as TopN and make it whole number, and minimum is 1 and maximum is 5. I want 5 countries, so just give 5. OK, and then click OK. You will get a table with the TopN. Just make it a list type, and then to make it as looks like buttons, just go to formatting and then in orientation select horizontal. You will get buttons type design, then just adjust as per your requirement. So it is showing but it is not working. We need to make it work. So to do that, to make it work and create another measure, country color by rank equal to if rank. I'm just taking this rank, country rank measure. If it is less than or equal to top n value, that is whatever we select, it compare with that value and highlights. If it is true, it will returns different color. If it is true, it returns one value. If it is false, it returns another value. Suppose if we give 2 here, it checks rank, it compares rank. If the rank is below 2 or equal to 2, it suppose I'm giving us a color hash FF000 and another color as hash FF2A FA. If it is true, it returns FF this first hex code. If it is false, it returns this code. I'm using the same thing. I'm comparing that with a selected value, and then I'm returning. If country's rank is below or equal to this selected value, it returns this color, dark blue color. If it is false, it returns light blue color. And just enter. That measure will be created. Now click on this chart, go to formatting and click on data colors, then click on this FX, then select format by as field value, select a field value, this country color by rank. It will be automatically applied to that. Now click on, if suppose I click on top 1, it shows top 1 country. If I click on 2, it shows top 2 countries. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, post it in comment section, or you have any ideas, or you want to do you want videos on some topics, post that topics in comment section. I will definitely make videos on those topics.